Haunted hot cocoa. Here's what you'll need to give your hot chocolate edible googly eyes. Heat the milk in a medium saucepan. You want to bring it just to a simmer, but don't let it boil. While the milk heats, combine some cocoa powder, granulated sugar, and a bit of ground cinnamon if you like. Stir that with a fork or a whisk until it is well combined, and then add a few teaspoons of milk at a time, mixing well to form a smooth paste. Once you have your chocolate paste, add it to the saucepan with the hot milk and just whisk everything until smooth. That is your homemade hot chocolate with no chemical additives. We want things to be scary, but not that kind of scary. Next, for the googly eyes, take a jumbo marshmallow and cut it in half horizontally. You may need to dip your scissors in hot water to keep them from sticking to the marshmallow. And then create the pupils by pressing a chocolate chip or other round candy into each half of the marshmallow. Place in the mug of hot cocoa and serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.